Okay, so just going to run through how I created my Sumo dashboard. So I'm not a coder, and I'll never claim to be. So I had a good friend, Gemini, help me with this, and the blog details all of that. But essentially, I just found an API which seemed very friendly to use and asked Gemini, how do I do this? And Gemini, using Python, has kind of set me on my way. I went through many iterations to get to the final product, so a lot of testing and time spent. But you can see that it's by the end of this video, it all came out as I was hoping. So essentially, I just copy this, put it into a code editor, I think you might call them, and essentially hit run, and you look a bit like a coder. So you'll see it's going to the database, picking up everything that it's being told to do, and it will provide me with a data dump, which I can see in here. This data dump has actually already been uploaded to my cloud platform, which I can see here, and this will automatically update because of another script that Gemini has helped me write to say, well, let's check when something updates in this. When that file is updated, it will automatically pull into the sheet, and I ran this just a few minutes ago, and you can see that here that it has successfully imported these. I don't think it will have anything new, but it seems like it has. So we'll see that it's. It will run once an hour, but I can also hit it to run at will. So I've just done that, and it's successfully imported that again. So now that we have this in here, it will read it from Looker. And then Looker will have all of my stuff that I want to see and display it visually. So feel free to jump in and have a look.